Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. आज I'm going to an event. It is sort of a get together. So उसके लिए I'm wearing this cute dress. I'll show you the entire outfit at the end of the video. And up I'm going to start with my makeup. So let's get ready. I'm starting with moisturizing my face. I use this face moisturizer. It is Venusia. Actually this moisturizer is suggested to me by my dermat. I have very dry skin, super dry skin. This works really good for me. If you have dry skin, you can also use it. It's very good and very nourishing. I'm starting with my base. For this, I'm using a skin tint. I'm not using a foundation because I don't want that full coverage. I'm just applying my tint all over my face. A very light layer. And I'm blending this with a damp beauty blender. So some people use their beauty blenders dry as well. It works for them, but it has never worked for me because basically I have a dry skin. And when do you use a dry blender? You use a dry blender when you need more coverage from that product. Like if you're looking for full coverage, then you should go for dry beauty blenders. Otherwise, damp beauty blenders work best. And one more thing that I have learned is that you have to stop yourself from over blending a product because this little baby takes the product away. Now I am using a concealer. This is from Maybelline. It is the Fit Me concealer. I'm just using it to highlight my face. I'll be just blending it lightly with my fingers. And now I am blending it with my blender. I have a little darkness around my forehead, that is why I've applied it on my forehead as well. अगर आपका like forehead is even toned, then you don't need to apply this concealer, highlighting concealer on forehead. And done. So ये है आज का minimum base. अब मैं ले रही हूँ blush and I have these two blushes. These are from Maybelline. ये है their Sun Kisser blush. So I have the two shades, one is orange and one is pink. So I mixed both of them to get my perfect shade. It looks very natural. So I am just applying my blush. First I'm applying this orange shade like this. Little bit on the chin and nose. And by the way, I have this problem of blush blindness. I always end up over applying the blush. So I'm trying to control this time. Now I'm taking this pink one and orange ke aage I'm applying this to give that fresh look. And by the way, I am just loving that trend of Korean makeup jahan pe they apply the blush really close to their eyes. I think that is super cute. आज I'm doing something like that only with my blush. And I'm taking the same beauty blender and यहाँ से I'm going to start blending the blush. You see the beautiful gradient effect that has given orange to pink. This is my recent favorite blush because you can wear this like without makeup also and it looks very cute. You know what, one thing, liquid blush हमेशा when you apply liquid blush वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगता है because foundation जो होता है that absorbs the blush in it. अब थोड़ी देर में it will get normal and neutralized. Okay, done with the blush. अब हम base को lock कर लेते हैं with the compact powder. You can use a loose powder for it also. You can also use a loose powder for it. But I'm using compact because base में as such high coverage कुछ नहीं है. So that is why I'm using a compact. The compact that I'm using is from Character Cosmetics. It's a very good compact. It is in the shade 03. Yeah, that's my shade. Just applying the compact powder nicely all over my face. Even if you want glossy makeup or glowy makeup, then also you cannot just miss this step. Now let's move to the eyes. I'm taking this brown shade. आज मैं सोच रही हूँ कि eyes में कुछ different करते हैं. I don't know अभी क्या, but I will try something different today with eyes. जब भी you are applying eyeshadow ना, तो after taking it from the palette, just do this. इससे क्या होगा कि जो एक्सेस पाउडर के पार्टिकल्स हैं वो आपके बेस पे स्टिक नहीं होंगे, नहीं तो यहाँ पे यू विल नोटिस अ फॉल आउट. अब मैं इस शेड को थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिफाई कर रही हूँ फ्रॉम द आउटर कॉर्नर्स. आई मेकअप का ना सिंपल सा रूल है कि जो भी शेड आपको चाहिए, इवन इफ़ इट इज़ ब्लैक, स्टार्ट विद अ लाइटर कलर. slowly because you can build it up any time, right? But if ज़्यादा हो गया तो उसको कम करना it's a bit difficult and tricky. So I have hooded eyes. So आज मैं try करूँगी to make them look bigger. जब you have hooded eyes ना, तो आई मेकअप आप यहाँ करते हो अपनी क्रीज लाइन से ऊपर. This creates an illusion of bigger eyes. अब मैंने लिया है एक बड़ा ब्रश एंड इसमें है पीच कलर. सो इसे मैं ऊपर तक लेके जाऊंगी अबव माय क्रीज लाइन, और इससे हम ये डार्क ब्राउन के कॉर्नर्स एजेस को अच्छे से ब्लेंड करेंगे. बाय द वे, दिस आई पैलेट दैट आई एम यूजिंग, इट इज़ फ्रॉम नायका. इट इज़ देयर स्मोकी एट 8 आई शेडो पैलेट. दिस सो अब यहाँ भी इस आई मेकअप को छोड़ सकते हैं, बट क्योंकि आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ ट्राइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट टुडे, तो अब आई एम एडिंग दिस पिंक ग्लिटर लाइनर यहाँ पे अबव माई आईज. चलो लेट्स ट्राई दिस. अब इससे पहले कि ये सूख जाए, मैं इसे करूँगी थोड़ा सा स्मज. इसको थोड़ा सा और लगा सकते हैं आई फील. इसको थोड़ा सा ब्लर करना चाहिए आई गेस, तो हल्का हल्का सा इसे डैप करते हैं, और ये रूइन नहीं होना चाहिए. आई होप कि ये कुछ तो अच्छा बन जाए, कुछ इश्क जैसा. ओके, आई एम यूजिंग दिस टाइनी ब्रश, और अब इसकी एजेस को हल्का हल्का सा हम ब्लर करने का ट्राई करेंगे. I think it is looking good, right? थोड़ा सा enlarged लग रही है eyes. It is very nice and matching with my dress also. I've done the same thing on this eye. अब मैं ले रही हूँ अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और इंटेंसिफाई करूँगी. I am taking this glitter eyeliner in golden shade. If you don't have hooded eyes now, तो ये makeup will look super cute on your eyes. इसको रफली भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बिकॉज बाद में वी आर गोइंग टू स्मज इट, राइट. आई एम यूजिंग माई फिंगर ओनली. बाय द वे these glitter eyeliners that I'm using, these are from Mars. Great pigment guys, great pigment. If you are looking for a glitter eyeliner, you can try this. Eyes are looking bigger and I'm happy with the new trial. अब अप्लाई करते हैं ब्राउन आईलाइनर आईज पे. अब ब्राउन काजल इस ख़त्म, सो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ एक लिप लाइनर फॉर दिस. लेटली आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि ब्लैक आईलाइनर एंड ब्लैक काजल से ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट ब्राउन करता है मैं इंडियंस को. The brown looks so dreamy. थोड़ा सा ब्लैक ऐड करेंगे ब्रश में for that definition. रही हूँ पीच कलर एंड इसे मैं अप्लाई करूँगी ऑन माई लोअर लैश लाइन. इसे थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिफाई करेंगे यूजिंग दैट सेम ब्राउन. मैंने थोड़ा सा ब्लैक भी ऐड किया है यहाँ पे. अब वाटर लाइन पे ऐड कर रही हूँ वही पिंक शिमर आईलाइनर. अब इससे जिससे पहले कि ये ड्राई हो इसे जल्दी से स्मच कर लेते हैं. थोड़ा सा ऐड करते हैं थोड़ा सा न्यूड काजल. दिस काजल इज फ्रॉम Recode. It is very good. The pigment is amazing. Like just one swipe and you get this. अब लगाएंगे हम my favorite thing, mascara. चलो, mascara is from Maybelline. I guess it's the Sky High one. Yes. लोअर लैशेस पे भी आई नेवर मिस द लोअर लैशेस बिकॉज इससे योर आईज अपीयर मच बिगर व्हेन यू अप्लाई योर मस्कारा ऑन लोअर लैशेस. एंड डन. अब जस्ट देयर इज दिस वन थिंग रिमेनिंग, लिपस्टिक. आईब्रोज पे आई डोंट पुट एनी प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज आईब्रोज मुझे लगता है वैसे ही थिक है. And if I try to put something that looks very good, so I'll just brush them nicely and I'm done with the brows. Lipstick के लिए I'm just lining my lips with this same brown lip pencil. I'm taking this dusty pink shade. This lip combo is just great. See? Last step, my favorite, Dalba spray. Shake it well and spray it all over my face. ये इतना रिफ्रेश कर देता है आपके मेकअप को. Like you'll not feel you have applied any powder at all. अब this will automatically dry in 2-3 minutes. अब I'm done with the makeup. For the hair, I think I'm going to leave them open like this. I can add a clip. I think it's looking good. Yeah, okay. So this is it for the hair. Very simple. Very simple, nothing much. And you see that shine, it has dried completely, but my face is appearing so glossy and hydrated. It's like a second skin of yours. I'm done with the makeup. I'm ready to head out using my new perfume. This is from Nykaa. Amazing. I'm using it for the first time. Amazing. It's very nice. So I'm done getting ready. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you have any suggestions or any questions, pin down in the comments below. Also suggest me what type of makeup I should try next. Meanwhile, I'll meet you in the next one. Bye.